Hello everybody, Sheila back again. Today I have something special for you. I am going to show you a caravan instead of a motorhome. So with me today I have a Bailey Unicorn Vigo. I think it's pronounced Vigo, but please let me know if I've got that wrong. This is a 2017, so let's go take a look. Now firstly you have your Alco locking system for the tow bar there. You have a outside barbecue point along with your full length awning and awning light. This motorhome comes with factory fitted Bailey alloy wheels as well as a motor mover down there for you as well. Let's go take a look inside. So I'm just going to let you know some facts and figures about the vehicle, and I'll add them in here. So it is 7.56 metres in length, it is 2.28 metres in width, and its weight is 1,499 kilograms. There we go, that's done out of the way. Look at this beautiful living room. Isn't that just lovely? Look at that big wide window, just bringing in all that natural light. I am roasted in here. Now of course you have all your blackout blinds for to block that out when you want to go to bed. You also have your skylight above me here. Tons of storage in this motorhome. Access to your TV aerial is just in here because it also comes with a TV aerial, and your radio is just located here if you just want to play music throughout the place. There's nice little reading lamps in this caravan as well. I was about to say motorhome. On down is your kitchen. Also, before I leave the living room, that is your first and second berth because this is a 4-berth caravan. So here you have your microwave. You have your 3 gas hob and electric hot plate, as well as your separate grill and oven there as well. You have your nice large fridge and freezer box just there as well. And let's move into the master suite. So here you have your fixed island bed. Of course this comes with a nice privacy screen. So in the middle of the night, you can just close that over. And I mean, there is just a ton of storage in this vehicle. You'll see it's all been built in around the bed here. Nice little wardrobe for you, little drawers, the whole way around. So your bathroom setup, you have your separate toilet and separate shower just round the corner there. So that was our Bailey Unicorn Vigo. Correct me, please correct me if I got it wrong, but I think it is a Vigo, maybe. If you'd like to see anything else, see any other vehicles, please let me know. You can contact me by giving me a call on 028 9269 3999. You can email me marketing@thompsonleisure.com, or you can message me on our social channels and I'll pick all of them up. If you want to come down, please come down. I would be happy to see you, and I'll see you in the next video.